cause blue's overrated. We all outdated, we all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Counting pretty cards before they deal you something heinous. I've been steady sitting on my anus. I'm so contemporaneous, in love with my behavior. But really I could probably try and be something greater. Fuck it, I'm my favorite. You could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen. The word that's the ego, scared it's taking over. But fuck it if it's fun to run my tongue up on these road fronts. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.